Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the thumbnail of a video in CapCut PC. So, you can create a thumbnail or cover for your videos in CapCut PC, and here's how you can change it. You can see here on the timeline, there will be this cover options that you can edit. So you can just click on this edit cover to change the timeline into your own. You can create the thumbnail on your own, or you can also use a template from CapCut. So in here you can see this is the cover design, the template from CapCut. You can use or select from here. For example, I'm going to use this one. So after this, you can change the title of the cover to your own video's title. You can change it. You can just double click on the text and you can just write the new title. Here you can also add shape, stickers, you can add frames, you can also do some collage. If you want, you can create a collage cover. And if you're done, you can just click on save. Now it will load. And just like that, the cover or the timeline of your video will be changed. So when you export, you can also export the cover or the thumbnail. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.